Unit 2. Creating financial and data documentation using Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for financial documentation and analysis. It enables users to organize, calculate, and analyze financial data effectively. Whether you are managing personal finances or working with business-related financial information, Excel provides a wide range of features to support your financial documentation and analysis needs. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Excel for financial documentation and analysis. Launch Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel by clicking on the program icon or by searching for Microsoft Excel in the Start menu or search bar of your computer. Create a new workbook. When Excel opens, you will see a blank workbook consisting of cells organized in rows and columns. Each workbook can contain multiple worksheets. By default, you start with Sheet 1. You can rename or add more sheets by right-clicking on the sheet name at the bottom and selecting the appropriate option. Entering financial data. In the cells of the worksheet, enter the financial data you want to document. For example, you can enter income and expenses, sales figures, budgets, or investment data. Each piece of information should be entered in the corresponding cell, such as income in one cell and expenses in another. Formatting the data. Apply formatting to the cells to enhance readability and clarity. You can change font styles, colors, sizes, and alignment using the formatting options in the toolbar. Additionally, you can format numbers as currency, percentages, or decimals. Creating tables. To organize and manage your financial data effectively, you can convert it into a table. Select the range of cells containing your data. Go to the Insert tab in the menu bar. Click on Table. Excel will prompt you to select the range and specify whether the table has headers. Creating tables will allow you to sort and filter as well as analyze data more efficiently. Applying formulas and functions. Excel offers a vast range of formulas and functions to perform calculations on your financial data automatically. For example, you can use sum, average, max, mean, count, or if functions to calculate totals, averages, maximums, minimums, counts, or perform conditional calculations based on specific criteria. To enter a formula or function, select the cell where you want the results to appear. Start by entering equal sign. Then enter the formula or function followed by the necessary arguments. Create visual charts. Create charts and graphs. Visual representations of financial data can help in understanding and communicating trends and patterns. Excel provides you with various chart types, such as the columns, line charts, pie charts, or scatter plots. Select the data you want to visualize from the Insert tab and choose the desired chart type. Customize the chart by adding titles, axis labels, legends, or colors and styles. Analyzing data using pivot tables. Pivot tables are powerful tools for summarizing and analyzing large amounts of financial data. With a pivot table, you can easily create custom reports, perform calculations, and generate insights. Select the data range you want to analyze. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Follow the prompts to specify the data source and customize the pivot table fields to suit your analysis. Using data validation. Data validation helps to ensure the accuracy and consistency of data entry. You can define rules and restrictions on the type and range of values allowed in specific cells. To set up data validation, select the cell you want to apply it to, go to the Data tab, and click on Data Validation. Define the validation criteria using such as whole numbers, decimal numbers, dates, or specific lists. Protecting your workbook. To safeguard your financial data and prevent unauthorized changes, you can protect your workbook. Go to the Review tab in the menu bar and click on Protect Workbook. You can set a password to restrict access or specify permissions for different users. Saving your workbook. Saving your workbook. To save your workbook, go to the File tab and select Save, or press Ctrl and S. Choose a location on your computer and provide a name for your file. It is recommended to save your work frequently to avoid losing any data. Printing or sharing your workbook. When you are ready to print or share your financial documents, go to the File tab, select Print, and choose the desired printing options. Alternatively, you can select Save As or Share to save your workbook in a different file format or share it via email or cloud services. Thank you.